Hi everyone, my name is Gopari Ahmed and I will be giving our presentation today on OneDrive, which is a Microsoft cloud storage. So here's an overview. So the topics that are going to be covered today in this presentation are going to be what is OneDrive, benefits of using OneDrive, storage plans, and navigating OneDrive. So first of all, what is OneDrive? Well, OneDrive is an internet-based storage platform that offers space to save things such as files, photos, and documents to anyone with a Microsoft account. It gives you a place to put your files on the internet. It also syncs data among computers, phones, and/or tablets that are set up using the same Microsoft account. How does OneDrive work? OneDrive works like a traditional external drive. The difference that is available over the internet in the cloud. You can create a file in one device, for example, a computer, and pick up where you left off on another, such as a tablet. So here are some benefits of using OneDrive. So you can access it anywhere. You can access, edit, and share your files on all your devices wherever you are. You get unlimited access to your files, and files are synced to any device quickly. Backup and protect. You can back up your important folders, desktop, documents, and picture folders. Backup protects these folders and makes them available on other devices. There is no cost for backup folders. You can share and collaborate. You have two ways to share your files, through the Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., or directly from OneDrive. You can share individual files or whole folders. All right, storage plans. So, how much storage can you get? When you sign up for OneDrive, you get 5 GB free. OneDrive has the option to choose from a For Home account and a For Business account. Only the For Home account gives you 5 GB of free storage. Paid storage plans for home account. So over here we have the Microsoft 365 family account. So family account is 109 Canadian dollars per year and 99.99 US dollars per year. 11 Canadian dollars per month and 9.99 US dollars per month. The personal account, which is the Microsoft 360 personal account, which is for individuals, is for 79 Canadian dollars a year and 69.99 US dollars a year. Or monthly, it's 8 Canadian dollars per month and 6.99 US dollars per month. OneDrive only is $2 per month. So here are storage plans for business accounts. So the first one is the OneDrive for Business account, which is Plan 1. It costs $5 per month. It has the file sharing and OneDrive storage option. The services included are just simply OneDrive, and it does not offer any Office apps. So the second one is OneDrive for Business, which is Plan 2. It costs $10 per month. It gives you file sharing and OneDrive storage with advanced security and compliance capabilities. The services included are again OneDrive, and it does not include any Office apps. So the third one is Microsoft 365. It's a business basic account. It's for $5 per month, or you could buy this for $6 per month with a monthly commitment. It also gives you the 1 month free option. It has Microsoft Teams and cloud storage, desktop versions of Office app not included. The services included are Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, and Teams, and it again does not include any Office apps are included. It includes web and mobile versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are included. The last app is the Microsoft 365 Business Standard app option, which gives you $12.50 per month. Or you could buy it for $15 per month with a monthly commitment, and you can also try this for 1 month free. It has business class emails, Office apps, and services like OneDrive. Other services included are Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, Teams, and Yammer. And it includes Office apps such as Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Access PC only, and Publisher, which is also PC only. All of these prices are in United States dollars only. So the Microsoft 365 account. If you purchase a Microsoft 365 account to have access to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook, you will also receive 1 TB of OneDrive storage, which is the equivalent of 500,000 photos and thousands of documents. Setting up and navigating OneDrive. So setting up OneDrive. To set up OneDrive, first, you need a Microsoft email. Go to Google and type OneDrive sign in or click on the link over there. If you don't have a Microsoft email, click on create one. If you have an email from another system, for example, a Gmail address, you can use it to create the account instead of getting a new email address. Setting up OneDrive. If you decide to create a new email address, you get the option to choose between an Outlook and a Hotmail address. Once you have completed the steps to create a Microsoft email, you can sign into OneDrive and you will have 5 GB of free storage automatically given to you. Once you've signed up or logged in, your screen will look like the image to the right. The option to upgrade will be in the bottom left side. It says right here, Go Premium in the black box. In the top left side, you'll have the panel with the options to go to your files, photos, and recent added document photos right here in the pink box. And you'll also be able to see your shared files directly from there. So your personal vault. The personal vault is an extra layer of protection, and you can set it up by clicking Get Started. You will be able to create a password to access it. You can upload files and pictures to it. Create and upload files. You can create new documents directly from OneDrive by clicking on the plus new and choose between the Office apps, for example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. You can also upload documents from your device by clicking the upload option. Sharing files. To share OneDrive files, first open your OneDrive folder. Find the file you want to share. Right-click the file and click Share a OneDrive link. Paste and send to whomever you like. So more options. To see more options, click on the setting icon. Click on Options. You'll be able to manage your storage, upgrade backup, and other important features. OneDrive mobile app. When you're on the go, you can use the OneDrive mobile app to access or share files and photos right from your Android or Apple mobile device. Use the OneDrive app to scan and save multiple pages of printed documents. Automatically back up your phone's camera roll to OneDrive to keep your favorite moments backed up, protected, and all in one place. So setting up OneDrive on your phone. Download the Microsoft OneDrive app from the Play Store or App Store. Log into your account using the same email and password. The mobile app lets you access, upload, and share files from your phone from anywhere, anytime. Here are a bunch of helpful links. And here's the live demo. Okay, so to log into your Microsoft account, go into www.microsoft.com. Once you get there, you'll have to click on the blue sign in button right here, right above the seat plans and pricing. So once you click on sign in, it shows you where you can log in with your email, phone, or Skype. But if you don't have an account, it says right under here, no account, create one. You're going to click on the blue line, underlined area that says create one. And it should help you set up your account. So basically, you'll just follow the instructions and it'll help you create your account. But if you already have an email like I already do, then you're just going to add that in here and log in with your password. And boom. Now you're logged in. This is your template. Here's this is your OneDrive page. So let's say you want to create your own file. You're gonna go up here and where it says new with the little plus mark next to it, you're gonna click on that and it gives you a bunch of options. So you have the Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote, Forms, plain text document. So you're gonna click on the Word document if you wanna create your own file. I'm gonna be using the Word document. I don't know why it's taking so long to upload. I'm really sorry about that. And now you've created your own Word document / file. You can just basically edit or write whatever you want here, like and it will save. And you now have your own document. I'm so sorry. The bar. Once you've created your document, you should be able to see it here. So if you've created your own document, you'll be able to name it. So I did create the document here. It's right here, but you can't see it because. So that's how you create your file. It's document 1, I believe. Yeah. So again, I'm going to open up document 1 and I've created the document. I've like written in the document, but if I want to rename the document, I'm just going to click on document 1. And I can rename my file name. So instead of document 1, I'll just rename it to. It won't let me rename the document. Okay, but if you were to change your document's name, it will be from here, but I'm not sure why it won't let me change the document's name / file's name. We'll come back and rename it later. So that's how you like create your own document. Let's say you already have a document saved in your computer and you need to upload it to your OneDrive. You're gonna go right next to the new button. There's the upload option. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna click on files. Once you click on that, a pop-up should show up with your files that are downloaded onto your computer, and you can basically choose any file you want to upload from here. So I am going to upload the Cyber Seniors Reflections file because I feel like it's appropriate for this demo. So I'm going to click on that, and it's uploading my document, and there you go. My Cyber Seniors Reflection file has been uploaded to this to my OneDrive. Now let's say I want to save my document in a folder of sorts. So we have a team building activity folder right here, but my Cyber Seniors Reflection document doesn't really fit into that folder. So I would create a new folder. So again, just like how I created my new document, I would just go into the new file / document. I'll just click on the new option, and it's the very first option that pops up that says folder. I'm going to click on that. And it'll let me name my folder. So I'm going to name this folder live demo cyber seniors. Once I've named my folder, I'm going to click on create and it'll create my folder up. There we go, live demo cyber seniors folder. I'm going to now move my cyber seniors reflection document / file into the live demo cyber seniors folder. I can do this simply by just clicking on the file. Oops. I can simply do this by simply clicking on the file, dragging it without letting go, and then hovering over and then letting go once I've reached my folder. And it'll move my document into the live demo cyber seniors folder. And now when I click on this folder, my document is right there. That's how I create a document.
Another way to move the folder is when we hover over the icon, there's a little circle that appears on the top of the item. So if you were to hover over document 1, for example, there's that circle. If you click on it, then you have a bunch of options here. So from here, you can rename the file or you can move it to another folder. So if you're having issues with your hands, maybe you have carpal tunnel or any other kind of limitations there, you don't have to click and drag. You can also do this. Use this menu to move your documents around.
And we're going to move introduction document into, it says right here, up here, move to. So we're going to move it to, and it'll give us the options right here. So we can move it right here. And it's now in the team building folder, I think so. If you want to delete a file slash, or like a folder, we're just going to delete a file. You're going to again just click on, you're going to again hover over your like file that you want to delete, click on the blue circle, and it'll give you the delete option, and you can just click on delete and then delete your file slash document that you have here. So a lot of you have already heard of the personal vault. If you click on it, it should show you your identity. So you'll have, it's like extremely protective. So you will have to like, it will send you a code to your email, which will then, you'll have to type in the code, which will then allow you the access to your personal vault. You can store some very important documents in here. So yeah, that's what the personal vault is for. It has extra security. So it's like a normal folder, but with extra security. If you look onto the top left side of the screen, you can see the menu bar. So right here we have Cyber Seniors. Under there we have My Files. So if you click on My Files, it takes you to the main page, which is the home page, which is where we are. If you scroll down under it, it says Recent. So if you click on Recent, it takes you to the recent documents you have opened, and you've opened them, when you use them, when you edited them, where their location is, and what their size is. Under Recent, there is the Photos option. So if you click on that, it should show you the photos if you've uploaded any to this folder, but since there aren't none, there is nothing to show. Then if you scroll under Photos, there's the Shared options. And it should again show all your files and folders that you've shared with your friends, families, or colleagues, for either for them to view it or even edit it. But I have not done that, so you can't see any of that. Okay, so I'm gonna just like hover on top of the document and then click on the circle until the blue check mark appears. And then on the top, I have this little menu bar, and I'm just gonna click on Share. Okay, so I'll just send this to them. I write a message to let them know that, hi, I'm sending you the document. And I can just click on send, and it will send them to them. And it'll show me that to just tell me that the link to document 1 has been sent. Now, if I scroll down and click on shared options, it shows me that I've shared one item with someone. And they will be able to see it. They'll be able to edit it if they wish to, or they can just simply view it. So they'll be able to see this document, which introduces myself to them. And if you scroll under the shared options, there's the recycle bin option. And you can see I've deleted a lot of stuff here. So it will show you all the stuff you deleted. You can either empty your recycle bin to completely get rid of all of these, or you can just click on restore all items if you've deleted all of them, and it will restore all the deleted items. So that is your main menu drop-down bar. If you scroll down and go down here, you can see the Go Premium option. This basically allows, if you click on this, it basically allows you to upgrade and buy yourself the Microsoft 365 plan, the Microsoft 365 personal plan, or the Microsoft 365 family plan, which we've talked about. It gives you these premium OneDrive features such as 6 TB total, 1 TB per person, advanced security, productivity tools, bigger personal vault, and then it shows you the premium versions for PC and Macs and shows you all these features. And then it'll show you the price, and you can buy it there, or you can buy it for $9.99 per month. And again, this is for like your if you want to upgrade your Microsoft account, if you want to buy more space for your Microsoft account, you can use these. So over here, right next to this little diamond button, if you click on the diamond button, it also goes to the Go Premium page. So if you can log in through here, or you can log in through here, and it'll show you the exact same thing that was just shown previously. But right next to the diamond button is the settings button. If you click on that, it shows this little pop-up which shows like your options, your upgrades, and your language. So we're going to click on the options, and it'll show us the options menu. So right now, the first thing that shows up in the option menu is the storage. So currently we've used 1.8 MB out of 5 GB, so we have a lot of space. My current plans, I have no current plans. I'm currently using this OneDrive for free, but if I wanted to upgrade it, I could click on upgrade, and it would let me either move to the family or the personal one that was just shown. And additional storage, I don't have any additional storage, so there we go. That's my storage summary. Plans and upgrades again takes you to the same place as we've just mentioned before. It gives you the Microsoft 360 family option, 360 personal, or OneDrive options. So again, it's just another way to get to your upgrades. Office file formats is intriguing because there are two. It gives you multiple different ways to, like, you can set the default file format for your Office document. So currently my Office document format is on Microsoft Office Open XML format, which gives me docs, PPTX, and XLSX. But if I were to change it to the open document format, it will give me the ODT, ODP, and ODS options. So if I click on that and click on save, the formatting should completely change. And if you go click on OneDrive, yeah, okay. Yeah, so you just use the first one because it's much better and much easier to use, and it offers. Again, under Office file formats is the personal vault. We've already shown this, but you need to verify your identity to get into your personal vault. So to make sure that your important documents don't get stolen. Under personal vault is tagging, and tagging is usually used for photos. So if you upload your photos here, you can tag them. So it'd be easier for you to find and organize your photos later. Notifications. The OneDrive app will send you emails when people are making changes to files that you've shared. So it will send you an email telling you that someone has changed this in your file. And then it also gives you the on this day memories are available. So like on a certain day you uploaded your Cyber Seniors reflection document file / document, and it will show you that on that day memory when the year rolls around again. You can turn these options on and off depending on which option you feel is more useful or not, and save that. I already clicked on device. Under notifications is device backups. So currently I'm using the OneDrive option on my computer, but if I were to sync it up with my iPhone, it would show me that my device has been backed up into my iPhone. So currently I don't have any devices backed up here, so there's nothing to show here. And under device backups is search, which basically allows you to show previous searches as suggested. It basically shows you your search history. I haven't really searched anything here, so there isn't much to show. But if I wanted to search something, I would just literally go back here, and at the top of the page right here, it says search everything. I could just type whatever I want to search here. So I could type team building activity, and if I click on that, it would show up in my search option. So there's the help bar if you need help right next to the settings option. If you need any help, you can click on that and it will show you the most searched questions, or if you have any questions, you can literally type them there. If you have any problems, it can tell you how to fix them. So there's that. And if you're done with all of that, this is your account manager. So you click on that and then you click on sign out to log out of your account. But yeah, thanks for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.